Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kiana and I make videos about cleaning, organization, and just lifestyle in general. Today I'm going to be doing an Aldi and Target haul, and then I'm gonna just clean up my refrigerator. It's gotten a little bit crazy. I've been really busy with work and everything just kind of piled on. So I like to clean it out like once a week, but you know, sometimes life happens and you can't. So these are my groceries. I don't know if you can see them. But so we're just gonna get into it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys like shopping at Aldi or Target. I like to go to Aldi first and then get whatever I can from there. And then I get the rest from Target just because Aldi's a little bit cheaper, so I can save some money there. And then they don't have everything, so then I jump across the street to Target and grab all the stragglers that Aldi doesn't carry, sadly. So stick around if that's something that you're interested in, and like, subscribe, comment below, whatever you want, and thanks for watching. Alright guys, so this is everything that I got from Aldi. We like drinking smoothies in the morning with just some protein powder and peanut butter, chia seeds, and oats. So I grabbed some berries because we're almost out. And then I grabbed just some generic barbecue sauce for Aaron's lunch. These, I have to constantly be buying cooking spoons. The last ones I bought, they kind of get really...
That's wrong.
floppy. When I start cooking, they get hot and then I can't even like break up the meat. So I got these. They feel pretty sturdy from Aldi. I think they were like $3.99, $4.99. So hopefully these work out. And then I got this silicone mat for my sink. I noticed last week when I was cleaning it, it looks like it's getting scratched up. So I'm hoping that this will help protect it. And then you can kind of cut out to accommodate like different size drains. And this was only like $5, I think, so that's pretty cool. And then I got these two. This is like hamburger helper. I know it's like kind of not as healthy, but my husband can kind of eat whatever he wants and he needs more carbs. So we're gonna try this out with turkey and broccoli. Sounds good to him. Sounds kind of good to me too. So we'll see if I can fit it into my macros. So I just got some different brands to try to see which one he likes better, because if I can get it at Aldi, I'd rather do that. I got these two from Aldi, and then I got the Annie's ones from Target because they were on sale for 99 cents. And then I just got tomato paste. I use this for my taco soup and then other recipes. Some garlic powder, which I use on an everyday basis. So these were pretty cheap. They're like 99 cents each. And then I always like to have some sort of fruit in the house. So I got some apples for this week. And then Halloween is in a couple of days. So I've been slowly buying bags of candy pretty much all, not December, October. So there's that. And now Target. Okay, and this is everything that I got from Target, minus this baby wash. I forgot I stuffed this in the Target bag, but I just buy this for my eyelash extensions to wash them because it's actually pretty gross. They like, this skin that sheds can't get out, so you have to like scrub them with baby shampoo. So that's where I got that. Hopefully that works. And then I always get these Uncle Ben's Ready Rice packs. I know it's more economical to just buy like a big bag of rice, but whenever I make a big batch of rice,
my husband doesn't like day-old rice because he thinks it gets like crusty and stuff, so I'd rather just buy these. They're not that expensive, and then throw them in the microwave when we eat them.
and then broccoli for the new meal that I'm going to try to start making with the macaroni. I just like these steamable ones because then they never go bad. And then I needed some more dish sponges. I needed more dish soap. Mrs. Meyer's. This time I picked the basil scent. And I know someone else on YouTube that really likes the basil scent. I think it's Love Meg. So you can't really smell them in the store. So I was like, well, I'll just try it. The last one I had was lavender scent. So, and then these are the two Annie's macaroni and cheese that I got. This one's the shells, and then this one's like regular mac and cheese. And they were 99 cents each. So, I mean, honestly, who knows if that was a good deal because I don't know what they normally cost. But if it's 99 cents for a whole box, I think that's pretty good. So that's everything that I got from Target. I'm going to put all this away. Or no, I'm going to clean out the refrigerator, wipe it down, and then I'll put it all away. Alright, so this is the before of the fridge. It is in pretty bad shape. Most of the stuff we use, but it just needs to be wiped down, like there's caked on food and stuff. And then I think pretty much everything is still good. I'm pretty good about taking stuff out that's bad. But yeah, the freezer's really not terrible at all. I'd like to throw away these ice creams back here because they've been in there forever. See, there's more. But this is it before. So I will check in with you guys once it is all cleaned out and the groceries are in there nice and neat. I cleaned out the refrigerator, I put everything into the pantry that needed to go into the pantry. So if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you guys think. guys, I cleaned everything out and just put everything on their corresponding shelves. These are like leftovers and then kind of like dairy toppings and some apples. And then this is just the tall stuff because that's where it fits besides this guy because I forgot to move him. But this isn't a deep clean or anything. I normally would pull out all the drawers and the shelves. This is just like a weekly touch-up just to make sure everything stays in order. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed.